friends. This is Robert at Daybird Aviaries. Catherine's here with me also, so if you see her, then that's who the movement is. Now these are the eggs that were given to us, that were shipped to us anonymously with no note. I don't know who sent them. I don't know what kind of eggs they are. We are guessing that they are chicken eggs. And I have just candled them, and I want to show you something of note about them. Now I want you to hang on. I'm about to open a package of some other eggs, and I know precisely what those are. But most importantly, I want to show you these two dirty eggs right here.
Can I tell them what kind of eggs they are?
Yeah, baby, tell us.
These are macaw eggs.
Don't pick them up. These are macaw parrot eggs.
Yeah.
Now this pair of macaws, they're not very good parents. And so we bring their eggs inside to hatch in the incubator. And we're going to candle those and show you what we find. Now it's dark. That's on purpose. I have a candling with a little flashlight here. Now look, I'm not so sure that these eggs are all that good.
I don't think this one's
Look,
good.
that one is good. That one has veins.
It's kind of moving on.
Now they have only been in the incubator
Oh, this one is good
about a week. You see veins? You know what? If we even get one or two little chickens to hatch out of here,
What's the ducks?
I don't think they're ducks. There are 15 eggs here. Now this egg, do you see the way that is shaped in there? Do you see the movement in there?
I see veins right here.
That means that the membrane is detached from the shell. If you've ever boiled an egg and opened it up, you know there is a membrane inside. And that is detached on this egg.
Hey, Daddy.
But there are veins in there. We're not taking this out. We're not throwing it away.
Yeah.
Also,
If we do throw it away.
it is very unlikely that it will hatch, but I am hopeful. Now I'm going to pause this and give the camera to someone else because I want to show you the macaw eggs. Now look. Do you see that?
I do.
Look. There's the baby macaw right there. That's the macaw
Is that
parrot.
like a little foot I do or a big little eye?
I can see the darkness where his eye is formed.
Is that a little foot right there?
I think so. Now I know it's hard to make out on camera, but we are so excited about these. Now these, look at that one.
Now.
They make their eggs dirty in the nest, and because of that,
Daddy, how many more days do you think it'll take until these will hatch?
it's about 2 more weeks for these.
It would be cool if they just
So-
hatched tomorrow.
What happens is they poop in their nest box. They poop in their nest box bad, and the eggs get really dirty and they get contaminated with bacteria, and the eggs don't hatch. And there's really nothing. Oh, that baby's kicking and moving. I see it. It doesn't like the light. There's really nothing I can do about that. So we're gonna get these put back in. We're gonna open up this box. So I know exactly what is in this box, and I'm covering up the shipping label because it's my friend Michael sent these to me. He knows that I'm going to record the video, but he doesn't want his address shown to the whole wide world. Let's open this up.
Ooh, there's
Shredded up newspaper, and he probably has a note. Hello, friends. In this package, I have included about 30 button quail eggs. Some are fresher than others. I hope you're able to get a decent hatch rate. Happy hatching, Michael. Michael, you're awesome. I thank you so much. We are thoroughly going to enjoy this. Now let's see what kind of a mess we can make. Oh my gosh, you individually wrap every one of these little eggs. Now these are the tiniest little quail, and they lay the tiniest little eggs. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Now we're not going to bore you unwrapping all 30 of these, so we're going to do this off camera, and we'll be right back. Oh, look at that. He sent 31 eggs, and they are absolutely, completely perfect. They arrived in perfect condition. He wrapped them each individually in the softest toilet paper I've ever seen. I guess he used the whole entire roll. Catherine said, "I'm glad it's clean." And you know what, I am too. So we have 31 button quail eggs, 2 macaw parrot eggs, and 15 mystery chicken eggs. Won't this be fun? So let's get these all back in the incubator.